morning. Louder, say good morning. Say good morning, guys. Say good morning, guys. Yan, maliit lang. Oh, doon na lang, pwede naman doon sa kabila. Nakita ko na. May nakita na ako doon. Oh. Oh, ito yung hugasan. Toilet. Sige. Hugasan. Pwede ako maghilamos dyan. Hilamos tayo. Wisik-wisik bubble gum. Mas lang tiyo. Ayun, dito kami sa gitna ng kagubatan. Oh, look, what's that? That's not strawberry, raspberry? It's different. Oh, secure siya, no? Team na kaya yan magano. Raspberry. Ha? Ate Mel found the raspberry. Ito yun. Yeah.
Did you try raspberry, Mother?
Martha? Yeah, just take a look, Martha. Because you go down. So that you can find raspberry.
Raspberry?
Yes. Where's she? Raspberry?
Kapagkain namin eh.
Ito. See? Look, Martha. Oh, look. Wild raspberry. Oh. I'm coming. Oh. Martha now. Running. Nagante kami ng raspberry. Hanapin natin ng spider. Sapot. Kaya nga oh. Dami pala oh. Wow. Libre lang guys, libre lang. libre lang yung raspberry din. Oh. Ayan oh. Raspberry. There's a lot. Wild. Iyan ang gagamba. Drinking water. Mas may malapit pa doon eh. Doon na lang magdala ng timba. Drinking water. Tio. Martha.
Hindi na kasi sa'yo yung bullet.
Nagahantag si raspberry. Hindi. Baka hindi nakakain kasi ito. Hindi mo kaya alam. Ang lasa.
Uy, bakit? Ay!
Uy!
Ano yan?
Wala! Nagulat naman sa sayang naman. Kala niyang kinain ko sa raspberry yun. Run. Guys, careful guys. Watch your step guys. Guys, watch your step Martha. Libre na yung fruits natin ng umaga. Dahil sa Rapsberry. Marami pa dito. Ito. Ito guys, marami na. Rapsberry. Where's Theo? Okay. Theo's there. Come here. Come here. Oh, there's a lot here. You want? Eat. Oh, Tia. Martha, you want also? Oh. Rapsberry. Martha don't want to eat Rapsberry. Ang dami oh. Yeah. Wild. Mahal yung ano nito guys. Per pounds. Tama na. No, that's not Rapsberry. Spread. No, that's throw it. That's not Rapsberry. Hi guys. Hi. What are you doing guys? Huh? Sa loob ninyo. Good morning, baby. Good morning, baby Martha. Oh, say good morning. Okay, good morning. Good morning, baby Martha. Aga ni Martha nagising. Walking. Chale, 8:39.
Tayo.
Yeah, look.
Kubik.
Bits. Nagtot pa si Martha doon sa shower room. Si Martha. Hi, Martha. You go, Bits. Oh, mommy walking there, mommy. Yes, Martha. Look, oh, Martha. Good morning. dog, oh. See, dog. Hi. Dog? Cute dog, no? Huh? Cute dog. Say hi, dog. Bye-bye. Kita sa ng dog. Yan na marami doon, mga naka-RV. Oh. No? Sa harap talaga sila ng lake.
Mommy, go. Mommy, go.
Sa harap sila ng lake. Yun ang mga campsite. Ano yun yung lake? Dami. Tapos dito ng dagat. May playground naman dito. Yan. Yun. Maraming ibon. Oh, budok. Ano yun? Yan si Mami Coco. Good morning, Mami Coco. There's so many seagull on the shore. Seagull, oh, bird. It's low tide. Yeah. See, swimming. Notice to the swimmers are not allowed to supervise. Swim at your own risk. Bawal mat. Yung bus. Oh, daming seagull, oh. Look. Tirik na ng araw. Para sa TV na ito. May naglalakad-lakad ito. Oh. Seagull. Lipat-lipat. Hindi kami nag-swimming dito kahapon kasi marami siyang algae. Bird, no? Doon kami sa kabila, doon. Sa dulo. Si Mami Coco, oh. Yan, oh, maraming arabi. Mga dito naka-wrap. Doon naman yung you want slide? There. It's dirty. Maraming sapot ng gagamba. Parang lumalabas na walang naglalaro dyan. Naglalaro. Oh, may mga table din. Saka umawir lang nila. Oh. Pero mahaba pa rin yung madam. Good morning, guys. Hi. Marta, oh. Marta. Why? Huh? Playground. She wants to play in the playground, but there's so many mosquitoes there. There's so many mosquitoes out there. Okay. Oy, dumugo ko. Compress mo muna.
Ha? Saan mo?
Walang tissue dyan. Dugo yung niya, kinamutan. See, look, blood is coming out. What have you done? You put in the table. Why are you scratching your... See, look. Blood's coming out. Kasi naman, ayan yan. Opo. Let's go na, doon touch. Ay, kinamot. Let's go. Maraming lamok kasi alam mo, gubat. Yeah, forest. We are surrounding of the forest. That's why there's a lot of mosquitoes. Yeah. What you will do there's if you see the mosquito? If you see zombie, what you will do? Zombie. Ang daming lumilipad ng mga seagull. Walking. Morning walking. Walking with Jesus today. Walking in the sunshine, walking every day. We're walking all the way.
Copyright.
Copyright tayo. Oh, seagull, lumilipad-lipad oh. Seagull. You see seagull?
Yes.
Look, Mommy Cuckoo is there.
Baby, ah.
Dandalayon?
Dito tayo.
You see dandalayon? May,
Keep potato.
doon oh, may sandbar. Sandbar, tawag yan. I'm tired now. Go down. Yeah, you need to walk so that your legs become strong, okay? Okay. No. See, look, oh. Oh, let's go na. There's a road there, oh. Hold my hand. Hold. Let's go. Ayaw niya maglakad.